Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. First, power off your HP 16A001ns and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the overall health of your device. Now locate the display connector. It is usually situated near the hinge of the laptop. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any locking mechanisms that may need to be released first. Once the display connector is removed, you can proceed to unscrew the hinges that hold the screen in place. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and keep them in a safe location. After the screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the laptop base. Be careful, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop via additional cables. If you notice any cables, disconnect them carefully before fully removing the screen. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Reconnect any cables that were previously attached to the old screen, ensuring they are secure. Once everything is connected, lower the screen into place and reinsert the screws to secure it. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on your laptop and check if the display is functioning correctly. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. If the screen works as expected, power off the laptop again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it and connect your laptop to a power source. Your HP 16A001ns should now have a fully functional screen. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the screen on your HP 16A01ns is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and a professional diagnosis without obligation. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.